Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Adam, and you may have heard my name battered around on Justin's channel before because I help him edit some of his videos and I help keep stuff running when the channel gets really busy. But recently he's asked me to put together a beginner's production course for him. So I'm a pop music producer, I live and work in London, and I've been doing it for about 5 years now professionally. So I've been around the London scene for quite a while, and I thought it would be really cool to pass on the stuff that I wish I'd learned 5 years ago to you guys. I've tried to make it as fun as possible all the way through, so we're going to dive in straight away with some writing and composition stuff, and at the end we're going to look at the technical stuff that really brings the production up a notch. The way I thought it'd be cool to teach this course is by producing a track for you already. So I'll play it in a sec for you. It's kind of like a pop indie track. It's really cool. It's got some great drum parts and a load of guitars. So I wanted to include as many techniques as possible so that by the end of the course you're going to be able to remake this track, but you'll hopefully have the techniques to take to your own music, and then you'll be able to make some really cool stuff at home. Really quickly, what I'm hoping to cover in order is, first of all, what is a DAW? Like, how are we going to make this music on a computer? Then we're going to look at writing chords and getting chords played in with different synths and piano sounds. That's a really fun lesson. Then we're going to get into the stuff that I know a lot of you will be waiting for, which is how do we record guitars, basses, acoustics, and vocals? And how do we do it properly so it sounds really clean and tight in a mix? That stuff's really fun, and we're going to get through it straight away. So hopefully within lessons 3 and 4 you'll already have a really good basis to build on your own tracks. Then I thought it was really important to look at drums. Now if you're not a drummer, I bet that most of the drums you program are probably neglected a bit. So I thought I'd spend 2 lessons on really digging into how to program a realistic drum groove, and then how to add the spice that a real drummer might play live, or in a production like the one we're going to listen to, how to add some of that sparkle that makes it a little bit more interesting than just a kick and a snare. So we'll get into all of that. And then after we've covered recording and drums, the last 3 things I want to look at are EQ, compression, reverb, and delay. I think they're going to make more sense after we've got the track done, and they'll just bring it up a notch. They're going to make it sound really pro. But I really urge you to stick around for that, because I'm sure that a lot of you have got some recording experience. You've maybe made your own demos at home, and hopefully the whole course is going to help you think differently about how you record and what parts you choose to play. But those last few lessons are really going to tighten up your productions and take it from maybe a demo stage to something a bit more pro that you could potentially release. So without further ado, let's check out this track that I've made, and yeah, I'll see you in the next lesson.
Remember way back when we used to call it love, writing initials through the middle of the heart, and all the time we spent just staring at the stars, thinking what I'd do for me and you. One take, mistake, had your mind made